Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Global Electricity Review. EMBER's 6th Annual Global Electricity Review provides the first comprehensive overview of changes in global electricity generation in 2024 based on reported data. The report analyzes electricity data from 215 countries, including the latest 2024 data for 88 countries, representing 93% of global electricity demand, as well as estimates for 2024 for all other countries. The analysis also includes data for 13 geographic and economic groupings, including Africa, Asia, the EU and the G7. The report uses weather and capacity data to uncover the underlying trends shaping the global power sector. Before moving further, an important announcement: the next offline batch for the IAS-GS Foundation course Prelims plus Mains is starting soon at Drishti IAS Noida Center. Admissions are now open for both English and Hindi medium. For more details, contact us at 87501. Now let's discuss about key takeaway. India's electricity demand rose by 10.4% during April to June 2024 compared to the same period in 2023. Heat waves were responsible for nearly a fifth of the increase in global electricity demand, leading to a 1.4% rise in fossil fuel-based power generation and contributing to a 1.6% rise in global power sector emissions, adding 223 million tons of carbon dioxide. The rise in electricity demand was largely driven by economic growth, with cooling requirements intensifying the strain on the grid. India is projected to experience the highest cooling demand globally due to its large population and rising temperatures, particularly in a world 2 degrees Celsius warmer than pre-industrial level. India is expected to add 130 to 150 million new room air conditioners in the next decade, which could raise peak power demand by over 180 gigawatt by 2035. While clean energy sources met 33% of the demand growth, coal still accounted for 64% of the increase, which is a drop from 91% in 2023. Role of clean energy. In 2024, India surpassed Germany to become the world's third largest producer of electricity from wind and solar energy. Wind and solar energy together generated 15% of global electricity in 2024, with India contributing 10%. Solar power was the largest and fastest growing source of new electricity for the third consecutive year, contributing 474 terawatt hours in 2024. In India, solar power contributed 7% of the country's electricity in 2024, with a doubling of solar generation since 2021. Low carbon sources, including renewables and nuclear power, accounted for 40.9% of global electricity generation, marking the first time since the 1940s that the 40% threshold was exceeded. Now it's time for the practice question. According to the EMBER report, the rise in electricity demand in 2024 was primarily driven by increased demand for cooling due to heat waves, economic growth and rising temperatures, higher coal consumption for power generation, or increased industrial and manufacturing activities. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.